everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on managing speed in a turn. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of managing your speed throughout a turn, whether you are doing a right-hand turn or a left-hand turn, with a stop or without a stop. Let's get right into the video. The first situation is when you don't have a stop, and I'll explain it and then I'll demonstrate it momentarily in both of those situations. So without a stop, no stop sign, basically if you are continuing to move throughout the turn, what you want to do is slow down before the turn. Then you want to maintain that slower speed during the turn. And then you want to accelerate out of the turn. For example, if I was driving 50 kilometers an hour and I wanted to take that turn at 30 kilometers an hour, I'd be driving 50, I would slow down to 30 before the turn. I would maintain that speed of 30 throughout the turn, and then on that new street, when I'm done the turn, I would accelerate up to, let's say, 50 again, if that's the speed limit. So slow down before, maintain during, accelerate after. Now, the other situation is if you have a stop sign. If you have a stop sign, you got to come to complete stop, and then you want to manage your speed basically during the turn. So you're starting from zero. You're starting from a complete stop. Hopefully you've come to complete stop. What you want to do is lightly accelerate, and you want to lightly accelerate while you kind of turn the steering wheel simultaneously, and then you want to get up to the speed throughout the process of turning and a little bit after, meaning you shouldn't accelerate to the speed that you need to be at during the turn. You should wait until you're done the turn to get to that speed. Okay, now basically I'm going to demonstrate right now, and one thing that I should say is when you're trying to maintain your speed throughout the turn without a stop sign, you want to lightly press on the gas pedal. And the reason is because, and then I'll demonstrate, the reason is because if you press on the brake pedal, you're going to slow down. If you let off the gas pedal, you're going to slow down as well. The only way to maintain speed is to basically lightly press on the gas pedal. And if you're in a manual car, you want to choose the appropriate gear as well. So that's it. Let's get right into it. We're going to demonstrate. The first turn that I will demonstrate with is a stop turn. So I'm going to have a stop sign over here. Okay, very simple and straightforward. So I'm going to come to a complete stop. I'm signaling, doing all of my safety checks. And now I'm at a complete stop. There's no one here, so I can take my sweet time. You know, it's nice sometimes to just take your sweet time when there's no one there. Don't do this when there's someone behind you. Only take your sweet time when there's no one at the intersection. So now I'm going to release the brake pedal. I'm going to accelerate, and then just very quickly after I've started to accelerate, I'm going to turn the wheel. So check this out. I'm accelerating, turning the wheel, still accelerating, still getting up to speed, and now I've basically hit the speed. But there's a stop sign right here, so I'm going to come to a complete stop again. So you saw right there that I accelerated, and it took me until after I was done the turn to get up to the speed. Now I'm going to drive straight, and basically there's a turn without a stop sign. So I'm going to get up to a nice good speed over here, okay? Now I'm going to slow down before the turn, do all of my safety checks. So I've slowed down, now I'm maintaining this slower speed throughout the turn, and then now I'm accelerating now that I've done the turn. You guys got that? Slow down before the turn, maintain speed by hovering over the gas pedal throughout the turn, and then you want to accelerate after the turn. Slow down, maintain, accelerate. Now I'm going to turn with a stop sign over here. So doing all of my safety checks, I don't need to say that every time, but check this out. I'm basically pushing the gas, and then I'm starting to turn the wheel. Accelerating, still accelerating, still accelerating, still accelerating. Now I'm at the right speed. So I've taken the duration of the turn plus a little bit more time to accelerate. Now I'm gonna turn right with a stop sign. We're gonna do a lot of demonstrations. We're almost done though. I pushed the gas pedal, then I started turning the wheel, still accelerating, still accelerating. Now I'm gonna turn without a stop sign. So I'm already starting to slow down over here, okay? And now I'm maintaining this slower speed throughout the turn. And then now I'm accelerating now that I've finished the turn. I'm accelerating out of the turn. Okay, very simple and straightforward, and that's it. That is my simple driving lesson with my simple explanation on managing speed in a turn. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.